over. It got hit pretty hard though, I ain't gonna lie, so we're gonna see. But the parts are cheap. I already checked, the parts are cheap. So we could probably make it work. We could probably make it work. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're on the way. That be in Miami. It's a little far, but I can't turn down a good deal, bitch. Bro, my CarPlay still keep turning off randomly, bro. So that means I gotta change the module, bro. I ordered a new one, but you never sent it. It sucks sometimes getting things from China, man. China got the good stuff, but man, they be taking a little while to send my stuff in, man. You know, so I be waiting for that shit, but just gotta get a new module and call it a day, man. Unfortunately. Ooh, damn, that nigga buy shit bounced. But it is what it is. Nothing I can't handle. But let's go get this goddamn car, man. Yeah, boys, I'm waiting here for the tow guy to come show me the car. I'm buying it from a tow yard, I think. He told me to meet him at the city bank. And that's what I'm doing. So, I guess we're just waiting now. So I can see the car, see how much damage it got. See how much wear I got to do. Hopefully it's not too bad. It looked bad in the pictures, but hopefully it's not too bad. You know what I'm saying? Get that big done, up and ready real quick. We shall see. All right, yeah, boys, the car is here. 2022 Nissan Sentra. Okay. Okay, not too bad. Got the windshield cracked in. Oh, moldy.
You can turn on the battery if I put the booster on.
Oh, okay. Frame is still good, so let's talk prices and get back with y'all. Alright, y'all boys, the car is currently being delivered to my house. We bought it for $1,600. 2022 Nissan Sentra. The receipt for the title. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. That's a quick and easy. That's a real easy fix for your boy. Somebody said total loss. Not for me. I can fix it. Alright, y'all boys, we on the way back to the crib. Just bought my car. As you can see, it's right there, being towed. And I'm going home because I have to move some cars so I can find a spot for that one because I look, you don't got space. But yeah, let's go home. Alright, y'all boys, my Sentra just got delivered to the crib. My 2022 Nissan Sentra. Okay, got the parking sensors and stuff. Little scuffs here. They bit clean. The windshield was open for a minute. But it still got that new car smell, boy. But yeah, we gonna get this shit right. All right, yeah, boys, we gonna see if we get this car to start. It was a no start when I bought it, but I think it was because this throttle body got messed up, as you can see. But you kind of see the pins and shit, and it was disconnected. Let me see if that was the cause of it not starting. Where did I put the key? Okay, I got it in my pocket. All right, let's see. Let's see. If not, I gotta scan it to see what's going on. Nothing. All right, let's scan it and see what's going on. I got my thing plugged in. This car new as hell. Still got the plastic on the buttons and stuff. All right, let's see what we got here, man. Let's see what we got here. Activate this. All right, let's see. What the fuck is going on? Okay, there we go. Scan the car, tell me what's wrong. Why don't you want to start for me? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Yeah. Let's see what we got. I'll come back when it's done. All right, scan complete. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Anything that'll tell us about... Okay, lost communication with the transmission computer. All right. That will most definitely make it not start. Yep, transmission computer. All right, so let me check that. The transmission computer is right. I think I saw it. It's right here. Oh, wow, it's not even plugged, bruh. Oh, wow, that's it. It just came loose. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So he's going to push this in. Just going to push this in. All right, I got to do it with two hands. All right, so I found out the issue is with this fuse right here. I put a new fuse and it blew instantly. So there's a short somewhere. So I have to go through these wires. So I'm gonna have to take all this shit off to even find where the fuck this shit is shorting out at. But I'm gonna find it though. I'm gonna find it for sure. And we're gonna get this puppy on the road. All right, we got both hoods off because they gotta change this glass on this Q50 and they gotta change this glass on this Sentra. Now he got access to the bottom. Ooh, that shit dug under the damn. Damn. No wonder this shit was stuck. Holy shit. That's crazy. I might have to take this off. Nah, when he take the glass off, he'll probably be able to get this out. Damn, the whole blade went under the glass. That's crazy. All right, y'all boys, they came and installed the new glass. It's looking real clean. Looking like a car again. They did this one too. Yep. Now we just gotta do the rest of that. All right, man, we about to use the big body to go get the parts. We need to go get a hood, a bumper, and a fender for the... So a hood and a bumper for the Sentra, and then a fender for the Q50. Can't use that car because it's too small. So we gotta get out of the big body. Man, I love this car, man. This car, you just can't go wrong with a truck, man. Can't go wrong with a truck. You feel me? Just practical. All right, man, we in a little bit of traffic right now, man. Every time I gotta get parts, is always in Miami. The traffic is always crazy. Look at that shit, man. Annoying ass traffic, man, but they got the best deal on parts over there, man. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But I get back with y'all when I get there. All right, y'all boys, we made it back to the crib. It's time to unload. Let's unload. It's gonna lock for me. Come on now. There we go. There we go. We got the Q50 fender. We got the hood for the Sentra. We got the fender for the Sentra. We got the bumper for the Sentra. Now we just gotta wait for all the other parts. And we just put everything on, man. Put everything on, man. Yeah. So I'll see y'all when I get the parts. Is my phone cracked? Or nah? Oh, I'm about to say, man, I just paid $1,400 for this fucking phone, man. Oh, y'all boys, I forgot to say in the video. I don't know. I think I said it on IG. But I think the BCM got wet from the windshield being cracked and the water getting into the BCM. So I ordered a new BCM. It's gonna come with all the other parts, and then that car should start. I might have to get somebody to program the key though, because when you change the BCM, you got to program the key. But whatever, that's light work. We gonna get that bitch to start though, for sure.